They were open, even though they were not up and running, you know, with all the electricians and stuff. They opened to give us access to our account so we can get money. They divert our loans for a period of time, so, you know, to ease the burden on, you know, as far as financial going. So they did several things. They offered meals and water and plants for us. So they were outstanding.
They were open really soon after the hurricane. I know the Tuesday after the hurricane, we came by and needed a little more cash for different things. And then I think it was the Friday after, they were doing hot dog lunches. We came by to transfer some money and got lunch to boot, and that was a really good thing.
I think we all helped each other as a community. You know, I would like to say that I helped them, they helped me. We just continued to check on each other, make sure that everything was okay. You know, in the time where no one had power and we needed money, Jackson County Teachers Credit Union was sitting out under the awning, you know, handing out money to people that needed it. Yes, they took care of me.
Jackson County reached out to this community like family. At the time, we were helping the community with meals. They donated funds to help with that. A lot of people thought that we were doing it on our own and didn't realize just how much Jackson County did come to the front to aid people in need. They were amazing at loving the community and becoming a part of the family community and making sure that people were taken care of at a time that they needed it the most.